bar exam to become a member of the state bar. They could not do so without submission of a certificate of moral competence, and upon passing their exams, they become signatories to Code of Ethics. Supreme Court, take notice! What a bunch of shagging assholes! Sovereign immunity. Oh, ask the state of Georgia. They enjoy sovereign immunity. Not so when a crime has been committed. So says the US Supreme Court. They made the ruling against the dental board because they did not have supervision. So every licensing board in the United States, till that period in time, was not covered by sovereign immunity. They had not